If you're managing a WordPress site and using cPanel as a web hosting control panel, you may be looking for a way to change the default interface language. And in this video, I'll show you how to update the language settings in just a few simple clicks. At first, you have to log into your cPanel account. For that, just open another tab and type your domain name /cPanel. Now let me add my cPanel account credentials. Once you're logged in, on the left, click on Tools, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. There should be the Preferences section, and right here, there's the Change Language option. In case you cannot find it, at the top right corner, click on the User menu, and then select Change Language. Then click on the Select Language dropdown, and pick the desired language. By default, it's set as English, but let me change it to Spanish. And finally, click on Change. Once the language change is applied, the cPanel will automatically refresh and you will see the interface updated to your selected language. And as an example, let me go back to Tools. As you can see, every single option is now in Spanish. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.